Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we gonna do a quick video about the Power KDP filtered scan option. To begin with, open your Power KDP software and go to filtered scan option. Leave all the options as is and go all the way to the bottom of the list. You will find code options with both of the live and draft books selected. Deselect the live option and leave only the draft option. This way the program will only export the draft books from your Amazon KDP bookshelf. Then click on Start Scan. Leave the program work until it finishes scanning all the books in your bookshelf. This might take a while depending on the number of books you published. When the program finishes the scanning, you will be presented with an XLSX file which should look like this. Go all the way to the end of the file. You can see the link of the book and the state of it. In our case, all the exported books should be as drafts. We're gonna leave the state section empty so that the app reuploads all the drafts. When you go to your Power KDP tool, under the user defaults section, you will see that we set the option of publish/save as draft as publish. So in this case, the tool will reupload all the draft books in the XLSX file. All you have to do now is make the necessary changes you want to make and save the file and go to the Resubmitter section and upload your XLSX file. This will upload your book with the same option it first uploaded. After the app is done the uploading process, you can see in the XLSX file that the state have changed to done and the type to live. This is all to our video today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment. Thank you for watching and we see you next time.